Y'all halfway peoples, I advise you not to try this. SS, sinister V's, sinister voices, yo. Action-packed Black Mac 10, Junior and his friend, not a partner, pissing, starving brothers on a mission. 2:30, brilliant plan around the toll booth, GW Bridge, got the weapon concealed, nothing to lose. They choose to break the rules at all costs, stick them in Jersey, hit the other side to New York, black and red leather suits and black biker boots. One got the gun, the other one controls the motorbike, adrenaline pumping, dreams of cash. Anybody try to stop them getting lead in their face, believe that. Black pack on his back, ready for loot to fill. With a thrill, they gon' be robbing that booth for real. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. They choose to break the rules at all costs. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. Two minds steadily manifesting on thoughts. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. Two soldiers about to do this pickup, stick 'em up. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. It's you and I. Helmets on, racing down Route 4. Junior pushing a bike, Ike toting the Mac. No time to be scared. When we on the point of that, I'm telling them to fill the bag, cause we not getting high. By this time it's 5:30, rush hour is thick. So they weed through the cars, get to the toll booth quick. It's a chick, he put it to her head and said it's a stick-killer bag with bills. Put the ones in my hand, we out. Hot, with the cops on our trail. Dipping and swerving, almost crashed right into a rail. Sweating like hell, they not even trying to see jail. So they pulled the sting and robbed the toll booth for real. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. They choose to break the rules at all costs. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. Two minds steadily manifested on thoughts. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. Two soldiers about to do this pickup, stick 'em up. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. It's you and I. Junior's weaving through the car, speed the cops can't catch. But they gaining on the mic, got a plan for that. Throw the ones in the air, all the cars hit the brakes so they could get out and get some. The cops look dumb, cause they couldn't get through. People blocked the path, so Junior and Nike hit the west side fast. They got their gear stashed somewhere near the train. Smooth getaway, ready to take the loot to the brain. Change the clothes, ditch the bike, I tripped in the trash. Keep it moving, gotta get the loot to the lab. We even have to move it quick. Situation sticky, the whole mission was ill. They gotta wait smooth for real. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. Two choose to break the rules at all costs. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. Two minds steadily manifested on thoughts. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. Two soldiers about to do this pickup, stick 'em up. Do or die, I'm saying it's you and I. It's you and I. Sinister V's invasion.
You got a problem, well I got some problems solved. It's my 357 and 38 revolvers, they hit the hardest. Lyrical bangers that's stainless, like Peter the Kid, I make you famous. To remain this and claim this, rapping force, take no shorts, motivating. Never waiting, stay debating, cause there's no escaping. It's all about elevating. Little nigga from the south side, part of Queens, where sons move fast, get blast, though material things change. Diamond rings, Lex, GS for gangster lanes, drive-bys for wise guys, family crime.